Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, I'm going to guide you through step-by-step process on how to log in Northridge Finance. First step is to open your browser. After opening your browser, click on the search bar and type in Northridge Finance login. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. Here you have to fill up your Northridge agreement number, your date of birth and your bank account number. So type in your Northridge agreement number. Now select your date of birth. Now type in your bank account number. Now you have to click on this box to ensure that you are not a robot. Now click on submit, and these are the simple steps that you can follow to log in Northridge Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.